Hello Ananda. Yesterday we have seen the backgrounds with CSS. Today we can see the list with CSS. In the list with CSS, what is the first? We can see the list. Whenever we are going to be displaying a piece of information in serial order, we are going to be using the list. Means, suppose we have purchasing some stationery, we need to order that one, pencil, pens, how many items we are going to be taking in the shop. That piece of information we need to call it as a list. We have already seen what is a list. How many types of list we have? 3 types. First one is the order list, second one is the unordered list, third one is the definition list. In this today's topic, list with CSS, means we are going to be applying the properties and values in the style tag. It should be defined in head section. But which type of property we are going to be using, which type of values we are going to be using, today we can see. What is the use also we can see. First we can see the list. In back chapter 1 we have learned to use the ordered list, unordered list of item elements to create a list with bullet points. Means we have already seen. Also known as the unordered list. UL stands for unordered list, and OL LI elements are to create a numbered order list. In this section, we will learn about the CSS properties you can use to control the list. By using CSS properties, we can control the list. Which type of properties we are going to be using here? We can see. First property will be list style type. It allows you to control the shape or appearance of the marker. Means it allows the control of the shape. Means which style. Suppose we are going to be using the numbers. Instead of using numbers, we can use sometime images also. Sometime bullets also we can use. List style type will be specifying the which type of style we are going to be using particular list. Next, list position. List style position. When a list of items takes up more than one line, the property specifies the marker should be appear in the relation to the text. Suppose we are going to be generating some list. In the list, some item will have only one line is there. Sometimes it should be a more than 2 lines also is there. At that time, we are going to be relating to the first line to second line. For that, we are going to be using the list style position. Next one, list style image. Specifies an image for a marker rather than bullet points or number. Instead of using numbers or bullets, list style image, we are going to be applying the each and every list will be generated by using image. Means some picture will be displayed before the list. That is the list style image. Next one, list style. Serves the shorthand for the preceding properties. Means suppose we need to apply more than one property at a time in the list. For that, we are going to be using the list style. This one is the shorthand property. Next, marker offset. Specifies the distance between the marker and the text in the list. Means suppose we are going to be generating the list. Before the list, we are going to be using the some numbers or pictures. For number and list of items, how much distance we need to maintain, that will be defined by the marker offset property. Next, we can see the one by one. List style property. The list style property allows you to control the shape or style bullet points. Means it should be controlled by the bullet points, also known as the marker. In the case of unordered list, the style of numbering characters in ordered list. Means normally in ordered list we are going to be using numbers. In numbers format we are going to be using the 1 to numbers we are going to be generating. Instead of using numbers, we can use the alphabets also, and Roman letters, uppercase and lower case also we can use. In unordered list, there we are going to be using the bullets. First we can see the value. Which type of values we are going to be using in which property? List style type property. List style type property, here first one is none. Means you not be apply any symbol or number or anything. It should be anything, it will not display by using none. Next, value will be disk. If you are using disk, means a filled in circle, means one circle will be displayed with some content will be filled by using disk. If about bullets. How many? Suppose if we are using this list style property, we are not going to be specifying any value, means default will be it should be displayed the disk. Filled a circle, filled in circle means circle will be displayed with filled. That should be. If you are specifying, if you want to specify means we need to use the circle also, square also, and we have a some more values are there. First one is the next one is the decimal. If you are using the decimal means meaning numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, it should be generated by the numbers. Next, decimal leading 0. Suppose we are going to be generating numbers. Before the number, we need to precede or lead it with the 0. For that, we are going to be using the decimal leading 0 before the number, means before the number 1 0 will be placed leaded here. That is the use of this value. Next one is the lower alpha. By using lower alpha, lowercase alphabetic characters means it could list of items will be generated in which format? Lowercase letters means small letters A, B, C like that it should be generated. Uppercase alpha numeric characters, it should be generated by the capital letters. Next, lowercase Roman numericals, it should be generated the Roman list. In which format? Lowercase means small Roman letters we are going to be using. Uppercase Roman numerals, it should be generated by the list in Roman with capitals means 1, 2, 3 like that Roman letters will be used. Next, the list style type property can either be used order list and unordered list, means these properties and values where we are going to be using in order list also we can apply, and also we can apply the unordered list also. Order list if you are using means it should be generated by the numbers or alphabets or Roman letters we are going to be using. If you are using unordered list means then we are going to be using the circles, squares, disk we are going to be using. This is about list style type. Next, list style type style position property. What is the use of this property? The list are intended into the page. The list style position property indicates whether the marker should be appear inside or outside the box containing the main point. Suppose we are going to be generating some list and we are going to be using the box model also. At that time, the list will be displayed within the box or outside the box. It should be specified by using the list style position property. Inside, if you are using value, if you are using inside means the marker inside the block of the text means the list will be within the box. It should be displayed outside. If you are using means list will be generated outside the box. That is the list style position. Next, list style image property. A list style image property allows you to specify an image so that you can use your own bullet style. Means here we are going to be using the own bullet styles. Means we need to create some bullets by using images. Then we are going to be flowers also we can use, hand symbol also we can use, horse symbol like that we are going to be creating our own styles. How to write the list style image property? First use the element name, then use within the curly braces, there we are going to be using the list style image property, and value will be preceded or leaded means started with the URL, uniform resource located we are going to be using, and within the parenthesis there we are going to be which type of image we are going to be placing before the list. That list image file address we need to specify here. That is the list style image property. Next one, list style property. List style property we are going to be using by whenever we are going to be generating, we are going to be using the more than one value means we need to use the list style property. The list style property ways of expressing more than one of these properties at once means more than one property at once means more than. Suppose we are going to list style, we are going to be using means inside circle means style will be displayed on where? Inside the box, and list will be generated in which format? Circle format means within the single line only we are going to be more than one property we are going to be specifying. That is the use of the list style property. In the next class we can see the tables with using CSS. Today list will be completed. Thank you.